Travel Mammal coming back at you. Now, Southern Ontario has Niagara Falls, but Northern Ontario has Kakabeka Falls. You should go there because it's awesome. In the midst of rolling, beautiful green hills, you find one piece of land about 2 hours northwest of Toronto that stands out from the rest. Check this out. Between Niagara Falls and Niagara on the Lake, there's one place that sometimes gets overlooked. Whitewater Walk features a quarter-mile boardwalk that hugs the Niagara River with Canada on one side and the USA on the other. Check this out. Wow. Here's a pretty cool optical illusion. If you focus on one particular spot on the water for about 10 to 12 seconds and then look at the rock above it, the rock actually appears to shift horizontally. place has everything, all right? Floating trampoline, all right? Floating slide, cliff jumping, but I'm walking on the wild side. Awesome. Now, to see Ouimet Canyon with your own eyes is spectacular in and of itself. But to hear its silence, that's what's truly golden. Niagara Falls, where we're about to get drenched with tons and tons of beautiful water. Let's do this. must hit up the Agawa Canyon tour train. It will take you through some of the most beautiful, pristine parts in all of Ontario. In fact, words cannot even do it justice. Check this out. The best way for me to describe this experience, it's like a fairy tale. The tour train leaves from Sault Ste. Marie and takes you 114 miles north through some of Ontario's most rugged and stunning terrain. One of the highlights, the curved Montreal River Trestle. At 130 feet high and over 1,500 feet long, I was speechless. The destination, the Agawa Canyon Wilderness Park. Climb up the 250-foot lookout trail for an amazing view of the valley and follow the trails to see towering cliffs and beautiful waterfalls. This experience will leave you mesmerized. Woo! Look at that! Awesome. There's a place in eastern Ontario that allows you to go over 100 feet underground. Bonnechere Caves is a must experience. Put on a light sweater, wear comfy shoes, go deep underground and millions of years back in time. Located about 2 hours west of Ottawa along the Bonnechere River, guided tours give you an up-close and personal look into the caves and how they were formed. You'll also learn more about different types of rock, the impact glaciers have had on the landscape, and of course, fossils. If you reserve in advance, you may even get the chance to eat dinner in the caves, or even take in a live concert. No matter what, the Bonnechere Caves is a complete experience that everyone will love. All right, this time around we're talking about, honestly, one of the coolest places to go swimming anywhere near Toronto. I'm talking about the old swimming hole, the Elora Quarry, located about an hour and a half northwest of Toronto. We're talking about 40-foot sheer cliffs of limestone and 2 acres of madness. Check it. For locals in and around Elora, Ontario, it's been a summer go-to. For visitors to the area, it's the newest go-to. Located near the infamous and stunning Elora Gorge, the Elora Quarry is a perfect place to spend a day on the water. The old swimming hole is surrounded by trails and dense forest, making it perfect for hiking, picnicking, barbecuing, and of course, swimming. It's open until Labor Day, so get in the car, suit up, and take advantage of this beaut in Toronto's backyard.